All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome to day 3 of distance learning. This quick little video is all about how to get ebooks. So if you are struggling to get books throughout this time, this is a great option for you. Otherwise, if you're one of my readers that go through books really, really quickly, this is another great option. This also allows you to have books read aloud to you. So really getting books that are at your fingertips. I do have more links, helpful links for you if you choose to do so or use those, but I'm just going to have you watch this video today and then you'll see the other links after this.
Hello, this is a quick tutorial on how to access some of our many ebooks that we have available to us through our own Chippewa library and also the public library. To find our website, go to the Chippewa website, hit resources, and we are the Library Media Center. Once you click on that, we have all sorts of options for books to read and public library access information. If you click on our Books tab, we have our own catalog, which is Discover. Very easy to find ebooks under there from our homepage. Just scroll all the way down to the bottom where it gives you interactive ebooks and ebooks. You can see them all by clicking over here on the right, but you can also set your options. Under Format, just select Ebook, Set, and click the magnifying glass. And you'll get a list of all 200 plus ebooks that we have available to us. Another option is going to just an ebook platform. We have eBooks of Minnesota and the Project Gutenberg, which has tons of free ebooks. Mac and Via is our own subscription that we have. Once you click on Mac and Via, you'll sign in with your Google School Gmail account and password. And then you have your own backpack of things that you can choose from. And it's also a great way to read ebooks as well as audiobooks. Another option is to simply go to the public library access page. And that's going to give you some information on setting yourself up. If you don't have a Ramsey County Library card, they are willing to set you up by mail right now or by phone. Call this number and then choose option 3. You can speak to somebody and a parent can set any student up with a free library card number and PIN, just so you can access all of the resources. Once you have that, you can even register with Hennepin County Library. Click here to register the Ramsey County Library card number with Hennepin County, and you can access all of those resources. Some of the ebook platforms they use, Ramsey County uses the Cloud Library and RB Digital. For the Cloud Library, it's all of the books that Ramsey County has, and it looks like this. If you wanted to read, you will have to actually log in, but once you do log in, you can open up any book and read. RB Digital looks like this, and it's mostly featured audiobooks and magazines. You will have to register, but you just need your library card information and fill the rest in. Once you register, you can have access to all of those books as well. Overdrive, the one in the middle, that is a Hennepin County one that you can access. So once you have access through Hennepin County and a username, you can access everything and anything they have available as well for free. So that's another great one to use. If you have any questions on accessing any of these things, please go to our staff info under IMC Home. And Miss Bernal is listed right under there. My phone number as well as my email, and I'm happy to answer any questions or sort anything out for you. Good luck and happy reading.
All right, and if you have any questions, you can certainly ask me too. Like I said, after you watch this video, I do have a link down in the daily activity that you will need to turn in. Please, 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 I'm going to assign it to you. You will see the link is down in the daily activity. Please don't make a copy and then share it with me. Actually go to where it's assigned you on Google Classroom. Some of you failed to do that last time, and then when I assign you the things and you make a copy instead, it just says missing work in Google Classroom, and then your parents get that notification. So also, when you're done, turn it in. Oh my gosh, turn it in. Otherwise, on my end, it looks like you didn't do it. All right, have a great day. I miss you all.